All right, there's two parts to this problem that you need to know, and that's one part is that the integral of x to the n power is equal to adding 1 to the exponent, then multiplied by the reciprocal of that new exponent. And don't forget about your plus c. And the other piece to know is that the integral of 1 over x squared plus 1 dx is equal to inverse tangent, or arctan, you might be familiar with that, of x plus c. So using these two rules and our properties of integrals, we can find this answer, x squared plus 1 plus that 1 over x squared plus 1 dx.